Well, my name is Maktunu Brian. A graduate of Bachelor of Agriculture, Entrepreneurship and Farm Management. I'm highly interested in agriculture, culture, and environment. The reason as to why I see interconnection between agriculture, culture, and environment is agriculture itself is a culture that deals with the environment in order for it to go on. For example, there are cultural foods. Like in our land, Acholi, we have Malakwan. Those are considered to be cultural foods. Then, as a farmer, when practicing agriculture, you have to consider environmental factors. For example, the soil factors, the edaphic factors like soil profile, the rainfall, the sunshine, all those factors need to be considered. And with culture, how you believe that those who believe that forest is bad in their culture, and they will end up clearing a lot of trees for fun. There are those whose bush burning is just part of the culture. They set fire on mountain, they set fire on forest, and they sit and enjoy as an evening source of entertainment culturally. So these three elements are together. And when we deal with them well, our nature will move in line. Earth will be at peace. Earth will be healthy. This is why I've gone ahead to create a non-governmental organization called Agriculture Aid Cornerstone, which will focus on three key elements. That's agriculture, culture, and then environment. Agriculture Aid Cornerstone is still a community-based organization, but if all goes well to the plan, as the Chief Executive Officer, I plan to expand it to become a national or indigenous non-governmental organization, so that we don't only help the people in our district, but we can help people countrywide or even outside Uganda. Thank you for watching. Nice time.